Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and XRP Army. Liam here with another daily update on Crypto Gains HD, bringing you the hottest XRP news right now. Today, we've got some exciting developments to cover as Bitcoin touches the remarkable $105,000 level and what this means for XRP's price trajectory. We'll also look at major chart signals emerging for XRP and some key upcoming catalysts that might send XRP soaring in the coming weeks. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a massive boom right now, with Bitcoin testing the $104,000 level and briefly touching $105,000, a price point not seen in months. The global crypto market cap has surged 3.6% in the last 24 hours to $3.37 trillion, with most assets trading in the green zone following Bitcoin's upward movement. This market rally gained momentum after President Trump announced a US-UK trade agreement, which positively impacted both crypto and traditional stock markets. Additionally, Arizona's move to create a digital asset reserve fund has further boosted market confidence after the governor signed the bill into law. Now, what does all this mean for XRP? Well, there's a lot to be excited about. First, XRP is currently displaying its first major chart signal of 2025. The daily, 50-day, and 200-day simple moving averages are converging, setting up for either a golden cross or a death cross in the coming days. As many of you veterans know, a golden cross, where the 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day SMA, is typically a very bullish signal that could validate the current uptrend. The last time we saw a golden cross for XRP was in November 2024, which preceded XRP's impressive bull run to highs of $3.40 in January. So this technical development is definitely something to keep a close eye on. Despite a recent 5-day decline that saw XRP touch $2 on May 6th, the token has since rebounded. XRP surged in last Thursday's session, rising from lows of $2,117 to $2,329, gaining momentum above the daily SMA 50 at $2,165. This upward movement continued, with XRP reaching a high of $2.43 early Saturday. If this bullish momentum sustains, we could see XRP target the $2 and even $3 level next. On the flip side, if profit-taking occurs, support is expected at the daily moving averages of 50 and 200 at $2.165 and $2.109 respectively. Now let's talk about 3 major catalysts that could send XRP significantly higher, potentially before June 2025. First, there's growing anticipation around the approval of a spot XRP ETF. All eyes are on June 17th, which is the date when the SEC might approve Franklin Templeton's spot XRP ETF application. This decision was initially expected in early May, but has been pushed back to June. As we saw with Bitcoin's ETF approval in January 2024, this could be a massive price catalyst for XRP. Second, CME Group is set to launch XRP futures on May 19th, potentially driving significant institutional interest. This will bring XRP into the institutional derivatives market alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum, opening doors for regulated institutional access through familiar trading instruments. Third, the long-running legal battle between the SEC and Ripple Labs has officially ended, with a settlement amount of just $50 million, down drastically from the $2 billion initially sought by the SEC. Under this settlement agreement, $50 million will go to the SEC, with the remainder of the escrow funds, over $75 million, returning to Ripple. This legal clarity removes a major cloud that has been hanging over XRP for years. Regarding price predictions, analysts have varied outlooks. Changelly estimates suggest XRP won't breach the $5 mark until February 2027. However, Telegaon analysts are more bullish, predicting XRP could trade at a maximum price of $5.87 in 2025. With 10 XRP ETF applications currently with the SEC, there's a high probability of at least one approval this year, which would likely lead to increased institutional investments and a potential price surge. In other positive developments, healthcare infrastructure firm Wellgistics Health plans to build out an XRP treasury and XRP-enabled payment infrastructure, further validating XRP's utility in the real world. So there you have it, folks. Several compelling reasons why XRP might be on the verge of another major breakout. After skyrocketing nearly 600% following the 2024 election, this could be your opportunity to get in before the next major leg up. That's all for today's update. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Gains HD, and share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss another upload. This is Liam signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow with another hot XRP update.